Good morning, my beautiful slay mamas. Today I chose to flaunt my own bare natural skin. Yes, because my skincare is working wonders for me. Is your skincare working wonders for you? Get the skincare products that target all skincare problems and not limited to pigmentation, acne, acne spots, brightening your skin, dehydration, dry flake cakey skin, and anti-aging. Yes, I said it, anti-aging. Get the Oh My Lady brand skincare from Perfect Shea Cosmetics. You can visit either one of our stores in PE, in Durban, in Cape Town, East Rand, and here with me at 382 Young Smas Avenue, Craig Hall for a free skincare consultation. And guess what? It is now less 20% until the 31st of March. Come on, do the right thing. Get the skincare that works wonders for your skin. Be confident in your own skin. Sanibonani, dumelang, abusheni, machorona, bude, goeiemorgen. Hello, my beautiful slay mammers. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, and I'm a makeup artist for a company called Perfect Shade Cosmetics. So, guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and press that notification bell for every time I do post a new video. So there's been a look going around from late last year to early this year. It's actually a nice spring look. It entails of just an inner corner popping eyeshadow look. So yes, I'm going to show you how to achieve that look and also how to do a natural looking ombre lips. Okay, so I've already done the usual. I have applied my Shiloh Beauty primer. I've applied my Shiloh Beauty corrector and my Shiloh Beauty foundation. However, I didn't apply my powder yet. I'm going to do that after I do my eyes. I have already contoured using the Shiloh Beauty contour palette, and I've already done my brows using the Brow Tattoo in color number 2 because I wanted that deep brown color to just let my cut from my brows be as visible as possible. So yes, let's get started. First things first, you're going to need your translucent powder, and just apply a bit just underneath your eyes where you're going to be working with your eyeshadow so that it doesn't fall on your makeup and ruin the way and ruin your look that you have already done. So I've already done that, and I've already applied my Shiloh Beauty corrector as my primer, my eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, and I have sealed it using the Shiloh Beauty powder. Reason being why I sealed it is because I've got very oily eyelids, and it is easy for me to apply my eyeshadows when I have already sealed my primer or my corrector on my eyelids. So today I'm going to be using the Endless Possibilities by Focallure palette, which is this one for my eyeshadows. And yeah, I'm going to be using that. And I'm also going to be using the Focallure Smoky eyeshadow palette as well. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to be using is the Focallure palette, which is this one, eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this color over here. It is the fourth color from the corner. It is more like chocolates or toffee. It's just very light. It actually matches my skin tone, so I'm going to be using that to apply all over my eyelids. Okay, I'm going to start in circular motion and apply it from the outer corner going in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm actually applying it everywhere on my eyelids because I'm trying to get that natural look on my eyelids. And on the other side as well. Okay, once I'm done with that, now I'm going to go in with my lightest foundation. Lightest, which is color Fair, to apply in the inner corners of my eyes where I'm going to be applying my popping color. So I am going to just apply in the inner corners of my eye. More like you are making a cut crease, but just a little bit, just halfway, just not even halfway, just the front part only, and on the other side as well. You can also go a little bit at the bottom because you're going to be going at the bottom as well with this color. Okay, looking crazy. Then I'm going to go in again with that same brush that I was applying my previous eyeshadow with, and I'm just going to blend everything just on the edges so that it does not look so rough. Just on the edges to just give it definition. And on the other side as well. Just want to extend that a bit. Okay. Okay, so for this stage, I'm not going to be applying powder to set my inner corners of my eyeshadows. Reason being, I want that color to pop. I want it to pop, so I'm going to apply it directly on top of my fair foundation just to give it a nice pop. But this palette has already a lot of pigment inside, but this is just so that my pigment just gets very intense. Okay, so this is the palette that I'm going to be using, and for this look I'm going to be using the turquoise, which is this one, this color. Okay, I'm going to be using the turquoise just in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to start applying there. You can actually use just any color that you like or you prefer to use. I'm using this because I like it. I feel like looking turquoisey or greeny. But do you see how much this color is popping? It's really popping. It's popping very well. I'm going to apply that. Yes, that's right. Then I'm going to do the other side as well. As you can see, I'm only just patting it on. I'm not brushing it on because I want to absorb the entire pigment as is. I do not want to rub it off because I want it to be quite bright. Okay, Okay, and a bit on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna go back again with that brush I was using to apply my first shade, and I'm just gonna blend the edges as well, just so that the colors just flows into each other nicely without leaving any harsh lines. And we're done. I will be back with my lashes on and the rest of my eyes done, and just carry on with my ombre lips. Okay, so I'm back and I have done the rest of my face. I have applied liner and put on my falsies. If you want more details on how to apply your liner and your false eyelashes, please follow my previous videos. So check my previous tutorials, is where I go in depth in terms of liner and false eyelashes. And I've already done the rest of my face. I've applied my Focallure baked face powder, face blush on my cheeks, and I have already applied my Shiloh Beauty Radiant Image palette to highlight the rest of my face as well. If you want more information about how to contour and highlight, please do check my previous videos where I go in depth about highlighting and contouring. So yeah, now we're going to the lip part. First, you want to make sure that your lips do not have any makeup residue left on it, foundation powder or whatever. Just make sure you clean your lips nice and clean and there's nothing on your lips. Okay, so now I am going to be applying my brow tattoo in color number 2 as my liner, because I want more of a brown liner. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Stay Genius Quiet Zone number 7 matte liquid lipstick. It's not so matte, so dry, which is why I'm applying it on my lips while they're so dry. It's not going to make my lips dry at all because it's got that velvety texture after you apply it, more like a lipstick. So it will not leave my lips dry whatsoever. Okay, I'm going to add a bit more. If you like your lips very matte, or you like your lips matte, you can just stop here and do not add any more color. But me, because it's me, I like being extra and doing extra things. I'm gonna add Okay, I'm going to add some gloss over that because I want my lips to pop. I want my lips to be more glossy, not matte. So for that, I'm going to be using the Focallure #2 Ember, which is more like a natural gloss nudie. It's like more like nude. So I'm going to add that to add a bit gloss to my look. Okay, and I'm done. I'm going to fix my hair and I'll be back and show you the rest of the look. Okay, so I'm back. I fixed up my hair and yeah, this is the final look on today's tutorial of how to do a popping inner corner eye look and ombre lips. Okay, so you can visit our stores at Perfect Shade Cosmetics in East Rand, Durban, Cape Town, PE, and here with me at 382 Jan Smuts Avenue, Craig Hall, Randburg, Johannesburg, for a free makeup and skincare consultation. Okay, and yeah, you can follow our Perfect Shade Cosmetics Facebook page, and you can contact us on 079-272-4713. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, share, and press the notification bell for every time I post a new video. And yeah, all the products on my face, everything that I have used on today's tutorial, you can purchase it at www.perfectshade.co.za. From me, Sam, love you lots.